Hey Catscale fans, did you know that you can now conduct a certified spread axle weigh with the Weigh My Truck app? Download the app at www.weighmytruck.com. It's as easy as pay, weigh, go. How does it work? When ready to weigh, pull onto the scale in the standard position, open the app and start the weighing process. A prompt will appear giving you the option to select Split Axle Weigh. Choose this option, then verify your truck and trailer information and accept the fee. When instructed, you will slowly exit the scale. This is when your axle weights are being captured. The weigh will be complete, payment authorized, and the weights will show on screen. You will also receive a locked PDF copy in your email inbox. If you need assistance enabling the spread axle weighing feature, conducting a spread axle weigh, or have questions about Weigh My Truck, call the Catscale 24/7 help desk at 1-877-2-287-225, extension 5. Check out www.weighmytruck.com for more information or to download the app today.